Welcome to the English Journey. Today, Nick feels sick during a trip, and Rose helps him find a pharmacy. They need to explain simple symptoms, ask for help, understand instructions, and buy medicine safely. Listen for the story first. You do not need to understand every word. Just relax and follow the conversation. Nick and Rose are back at their hotel after a long morning in the city. They walked through the market, missed a bus, found the right stop, and finally returned to the lobby. Now Nick looks tired, and Rose notices that he is quieter than usual.
You're very quiet all of a sudden.
I think the travel day finally caught me.
Are you just tired, or do you feel sick?
I don't feel very well right now.
What's wrong? Do you have a headache?
Yes, I have a mild headache, and my throat feels a little dry.
That doesn't sound fun after such a long morning.
I was hoping a rest would fix everything.
Maybe rest will help, but we should take care of it early.
I don't want to make a big problem out of a small headache.
I know, but small problems are easier to handle early.
That sounds like something a responsible traveler would say.
Thank you. Today, I'm trying to be responsible.
I appreciate responsible travel, Rose, today.
And responsible travel, Rose thinks we should find a pharmacy.
A pharmacy sounds like a good idea.
We can ask for advice and buy something simple if needed.
Do you know where the nearest pharmacy is?
Let me check the map on my phone.
Please tell the map to be kind to us today.
The map says there's a pharmacy 2 minutes away.
2 minutes sounds possible, even for my tired head.
Good. Let's go slowly and get some help.
Rose checks the pharmacy location, and Nick stands up carefully. They decide to solve the problem early instead of waiting and worrying. Nick and Rose leave the hotel lobby and walk slowly along the street. The pharmacy is nearby, but Nick is tired, so Rose keeps the pace comfortable.
We don't need to hurry. The pharmacy is close.
Thanks. I'm walking, but my head isn't very happy right now.
That's a funny way to describe a headache.
I'm trying to stay friendly even with my head.
Good effort. Do you feel dizzy at all?
No, I don't feel dizzy. I just feel tired and uncomfortable.
Do you have a fever at all?
I don't think so. I don't feel hot.
Okay, we can still ask the pharmacist for advice.
What should I say when we get there?
Keep it simple. Say, I have a mild headache.
I can say that. I have a mild headache.
Then say your throat feels dry if they ask about other symptoms.
My throat feels a little dry. That sounds clear.
Good. You can also say how long you felt this way.
I started feeling like this about 30 minutes ago.
Perfect. That information can help the pharmacist.
I hope I don't sound dramatic.
You won't. You're just explaining what you feel.
That makes sense. Clear symptoms, not a big speech.
Exactly. And we should mention any allergies too.
I don't have any medicine allergies that I know about.
Good. It's still useful to say that clearly.
I'll say, I don't have any known medicine allergies.
That sounds natural and helpful.
There's the pharmacy sign ahead.
Great. We made it without getting lost or missing another bus.
That already feels like a small health improvement.
Nick and Rose arrive outside a small pharmacy with a green sign. Before they go inside, they review what Nick needs to explain. Nick and Rose walk into the pharmacy and look around. The pharmacy is quiet, clean, and bright, with medicine shelves and a counter near the back. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, my friend doesn't feel very well.
Hi, I have a mild headache and my throat feels a little dry.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you felt this way?
It started about 30 minutes ago.
Do you have a fever, dizziness, or trouble breathing?
No, I don't have those symptoms.
He just feels tired and has a mild headache.
Okay, have you eaten and had enough water today?
I had breakfast, but I probably didn't drink enough water.
We walked around a lot this morning.
That can sometimes make you feel tired or a bit unwell.
That makes sense. It's been a busy day.
Do you have any known medicine allergies?
No, I don't have any known medicine allergies.
Are you taking any regular medicine at the moment?
No, I'm not taking any regular medicine.
We just want some simple advice for a mild headache.
I can show you an option for mild pain relief and explain the label.
Thank you. That would be very helpful.
Please remember to drink water and rest as well.
That sounds good. Rest is already part of the plan.
I fully support the rest part of the plan.
If the symptoms get worse or don't improve, You should speak to a doctor.
That makes sense. We'll keep that in mind.
The pharmacist asks simple questions and listens carefully to Nick's answers. Nick feels calmer because he can explain the problem in clear English. The pharmacist takes a small box from the shelf and places it on the counter. Nick and Rose look at the label while the pharmacist explains the instructions clearly. This is for mild pain relief, but please read the label before using it.
Okay, I want to understand the instructions clearly.
Can you explain how he should take it?
Follow the label directions and take it with water.
Should I take it before food or after food?
Some medicine should be taken with food and some should not, so please follow this label carefully.
That's helpful. We'll check the label before he takes anything.
I can also eat something small back at the hotel.
Good. Also, don't take more than the label says.
Understood. I won't take more than the label says.
Are there any common side effects we should know about?
Some people may get stomach discomfort, so follow the label and stop if you feel worse.
I'll be careful. I don't want a new problem.
That wouldn't be a good travel upgrade.
Also, don't mix it with other medicine unless a doctor or pharmacist says it's okay.
I'm not taking anything else right now.
That's good to know. Thanks.
If his headache gets worse, should we see a doctor?
Yes, if it gets worse, lasts a long time, or comes with serious symptoms, you should see a doctor.
Do you mean things like fever, dizziness, or trouble breathing?
Yes, those are examples. Also get medical help if you feel very unwell.
Thank you for explaining that clearly.
Yes, thank you. I feel better knowing what to watch for.
You're welcome. Travel can be tiring, so rest and water are important too.
I'll take rest and water very seriously today.
That's the best plan you've had all day.
The pharmacist gives clear advice, and Nick repeats the important points. Rose listens carefully so they both understand what to do next. Nick and Rose stay at the counter and ask a few more practical questions. They want to make sure they understand the medicine, the payment, and what to do next.
Can I ask one more question?
Of course. What would you like to know?
Can I take this if I need to rest for a few hours?
Yes, rest is fine. Just follow the label and drink water.
Should he avoid walking around too much today?
If he feels tired, it's better to rest and keep the rest of the day quiet.
A quiet day sounds perfect right now.
I agree. No more long walks today.
No more surprise bus lessons either.
It sounds like you've had a busy trip.
Yes, it's been useful but very active.
Useful and active is a generous description.
I'm trying to keep the story positive.
That's a good travel attitude.
How much is this medicine?
It's $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card here.
Do we need a receipt?
Yes, let's take the receipt just in case.
No problem. Please tap your card when you're ready.
Done. Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. We appreciate your advice.
I appreciate it too, especially because my head is not thinking clearly.
Take care, drink some water, and rest when you get back.
I'll do that. Thank you again.
Nick pays for the medicine and the pharmacist gives him the receipt. They leave the pharmacy with clear instructions and a calmer plan. Nick and Rose walk slowly back toward the hotel. The street is still warm, but they're only a short distance from the lobby.
How are you feeling now?
Still not perfect, but I feel less worried.
That's good. Clear information can make a problem feel smaller.
Yes, I'm glad we asked for help instead of guessing.
Me too. Guessing about medicine is not a good idea.
I'm glad I knew how to explain my symptoms.
Me too. That made everything much easier.
I said I had a mild headache and a dry throat.
And you said how long you had felt that way.
I also said I didn't have any known medicine allergies.
That was important information too.
The pharmacist asked clear questions, which helped a lot.
Yes, and you answered them clearly.
I was proud that I could explain it clearly.
That sounds funny, but I know what you mean.
I mean English for moments like this.
That sounds much better to me.
The most useful phrases were, I don't feel well, and I have a mild headache.
Also, how should I take it? And, are there any side effects?
Those are useful, and they're not too difficult.
Exactly. Simple English can still be very helpful.
We should go back, eat something small, drink water, and rest.
That sounds like the perfect plan.
I'm becoming a responsible traveler too.
Yes, but please don't become sick just to practice English.
I promise. That's not my learning strategy.
Nick and Rose reach the hotel entrance and walk inside. They feel relieved because the pharmacy visit was simple and helpful. Back in the hotel room, Nick sits near the window with a glass of water. Rose puts the medicine box and receipt on the small table beside him.
Here's your water. Please drink some before you rest.
Thank you. Water sounds very wise right now.
The pharmacist said water and rest are important.
I heard that clearly. My head hurt it too.
Good. We should read the label again before you take anything.
Yes, let's read it slowly and carefully.
The label says to follow the directions and not take more than recommended.
I won't take more than recommended.
It also says to ask a doctor or pharmacist if you're unsure.
That's good advice. Asking is better than guessing.
Exactly. We should keep the box nearby in case we need to check it again.
Good idea. I'll leave it on the table.
Do you want to cancel our evening plan?
I think we should keep tonight simple.
I agree. We can have a quiet dinner near the hotel.
That sounds perfect. My travel energy is very low.
Then we'll protect the little energy you still have.
Thank you. I feel very cared for.
You're welcome. Just don't make me become your full-time travel nurse.
I'll try not to be a difficult patient.
That would be greatly appreciated today.
Today became an unexpected pharmacy trip.
Yes, but it was useful in real life.
Real English often appears when life doesn't go perfectly.
That's very true today, actually.
Maybe I'll remember these phrases because I actually needed them today.
I think so. Real problems make phrases easier to remember.
Then at least my headache has helped someone.
That's a very generous way to think about it.
Nick drinks some water and gets ready to rest. The afternoon becomes quiet, and the travel problem slowly feels smaller. Later, Nick feels calmer after resting in the hotel room. Rose checks on him and they talk about what they learned from the pharmacy visit.
Are you feeling a little better now?
Yes, I feel calmer after resting.
Good. I'm glad we went to the pharmacy early.
Me too. It helped to speak with someone who knew what to ask.
The pharmacist asked useful questions about symptoms, allergies, and regular medicine.
Those questions sounded simple, but they were important.
Yes, when you feel sick, simple questions are best.
I like that the pharmacist explained the label.
Me too. Labels can be confusing when you're tired.
Especially when your head already feels busy.
Exactly. That's why asking for help is useful.
I feel like we learned real travel English today.
We did. Pharmacy English isn't exciting, but it's very practical.
Practical English is sometimes the most useful English.
I agree. It helps you solve real problems.
Some useful phrases from today were really clear.
Let's remember a few of them.
I don't feel very well.
I have a mild headache today.
How should I take it?
Should I take it with food?
Are there any side effects?
I don't have any known medicine allergies.
Those phrases are very useful for travel.
Yes, and they're simple enough to practice often.
I hope learners listen to them more than once.
Repeating useful phrases can make them feel natural.
That's true. Repetition helps a lot.
Now your next job is simple.
What's my next simple job then?
Rest, drink water, and stop giving speeches.
That sounds fair. I'll begin immediately.
Nick and Rose smile and the hotel room becomes quiet again. The problem was small, but it gave them useful English for real life. Nick felt sick during the trip, but he and Rose handled the problem calmly. In this video, you listened to useful English for feeling sick, explaining symptoms, asking a pharmacist for help, asking about medicine, understanding instructions, paying by card, and knowing when to ask for more help. These simple pharmacy phrases can help you understand real English conversations when you travel. You do not need to remember every sentence after one listen. Listen again when you have time, and the words will slowly become more familiar. The first time, try to understand the story. The second time, listen for pharmacy phrases like, I don't feel well, I have a headache, how should I take it, and are there any side effects? The third time, repeat some short sentences out loud. Small listening practice every day can help your English grow naturally. Thank you for listening to the English Journey. Keep going, keep listening, and enjoy your English journey.